If you're skinny and want to gain weight fast, this 7-day routine can change your body. Are you tired of being skinny? Like no matter how much you eat, your body just doesn't grow? You look at yourself in the mirror, and deep down, you wish you had a stronger body, more confidence, more presence. But what if I told you, in just 7 days, you can actually start seeing a change? Not magic, not shortcuts, just a simple routine that actually works. First, you need to fix your eating habits. I mean, if you're only eating 3 meals a day, that's not enough. You need to start eating at least 5 times a day. Let me make it simple for you. In the morning, go for 2 or 3 eggs and a glass of milk. Then mid-morning, have a banana or 2, or even a peanut butter sandwich. For lunch, don't skip, eat properly. Rice, dal, vegetables, a full meal. In the evening, keep it light, maybe milk, and a banana again. And dinner, this is important. Eat well, roti rice, and some protein, because all of this is giving your body the calories it needs. And once you start eating more calories than you burn, that's when your body finally starts gaining weight. Now comes the workout part. And listen, without training, your body is not going to build muscle. So start simple. You don't need anything fancy. Just begin with push-ups and squats. And if you have them, use some light dumbbells. The goal is simple. Challenge your body. Push it a little more every single day. Because once you do that, your body will start adapting. And slowly, you'll notice yourself getting stronger day by day. Now, this is the most important part. Protein. If you really want to grow your body, you can't ignore this. Foods like eggs and milk, they help your muscles recover and grow stronger. But here's something most people forget: sleep. Yeah, sleep is just as important, because your body doesn't grow when you're working out. It actually grows when you're resting. So make sure you're getting proper sleep every single night. Now, if you actually follow this routine for the next 7 days, you're going to start noticing some real changes. Maybe not something crazy, but you'll feel it. You'll feel more strength. Your body will start looking a little more full. And most importantly, you'll feel more confident in yourself. So now the real question is, are you ready to transform your body? Because it all starts from today. Just take that first step and start becoming the best version of yourself. And hey, before you go, if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next, and drop a comment below. Just type ready, so I know you're serious about changing your life, and I can keep bringing more powerful videos for you.